Do you trust your mechanic completely? Well, here's the shocking truth. Some mechanics are secretly hoping you don't know these 13 simple car maintenance tips. Why? Because if you do, you could save hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars on repairs. Yes, I'm talking about a list of car secrets that could turn you into the mechanic your car always wanted. So buckle up, because I'm about to drop knowledge bombs that'll have you questioning everything you thought you knew about car maintenance. These tips are easy, they're smart, and best of all, they're going to save you a ton of cash. And let's be honest, we all love saving a few bucks, right? Tip hash 1. Reset that maintenance required light yourself. We all know that dreaded maintenance required light. It pops up like an annoying reminder of your car's never-ending needs. But here's the kicker. It's often just a reminder for an oil change. That's it. Before you race to the dealership to reset it, just Google how to reset it for your car model. It's usually a simple button press or quick sequence. If you're thinking, wait, I can do that? Then yes you can. Resetting that light will save you a trip to the dealer, and the dealer's price is . And here's a bonus. If your check engine light is on, grab an OBD2 scanner for around $30 to $40, plug it in, and figure out the issue yourself. It saves unnecessary repairs and heart-stopping bills. Tip hash 2. Don't skip bleeding your brakes. When replacing your brake pads, don't skip bleeding your brakes. Opening the bleeder valve before compressing the caliper is crucial. Skipping this can force old fluid back into your system and damage important parts like the ABS module. It's a simple fix that could save you a hefty repair bill. And remember, brake fluid doesn't grow on trees, it needs to be topped off too, or you could end up in a dangerous situation when you need your brakes the most. Tip hash 3. Additives aren't always the answer. Let's talk about additives. You've probably seen those products claiming to restore your engine or improve fuel efficiency. They often sound like a miracle, but in most cases, they're a waste of money. Modern engines already have all the additives they need in the fuel and oil. Stick to regular oil changes and save your cash. If you're driving a diesel or an older car, some additives may be useful, especially in cold weather. For most of you, ditch the magic potions and stick to regular maintenance. Your wallet will thank you. Tip hash 4. Check the coolant level and keep warm in winter. Nothing ruins a winter morning like a heater that blows cold air. If that happens, check your coolant level first. If it's low, your heater won't function properly. The heater core relies on hot coolant to circulate warm air. Top off your coolant and see if that fixes it. This simple fix can save you money on unnecessary mechanic visits. Get your hands dirty and keep that engine happy and you warm. Tip hash 5. Car batteries aren't forever, even when they're sitting on the shelf. Car batteries don't last forever. The clock starts ticking the moment they're filled with acid. But here's the kicker. Just because a battery is sitting on the shelf doesn't mean it's still fresh. Before buying a battery, always check the manufacturing date. Ideally, pick one no older than a month for best performance. Also, charge the new battery for 1-2 hours before installing it to ensure it's fully ready to go. Don't forget to clean those battery terminals regularly. Tip hash 6. Spark plugs aren't just small, they're essential. Spark plugs are small, but they pack a punch in keeping your car running smoothly. A worn-out spark plug can cause misfires, decrease fuel efficiency, and even lead to a sluggish engine. If your car is struggling to start or feels slow, it might be time to inspect those plugs. Don't wait until they're completely worn out. Spark plugs can last up to 100,000 miles, but it's always a good idea to check them regularly for signs of wear or carbon buildup. This simple maintenance task can save you from bigger engine problems down the line. Tip hash 7. Stop overfilling the gas tank. We've all done it. The nozzle clicks off, and we just have to squeeze that last little bit of gas into the tank. But hold up, overfilling is bad news for your car and the environment. For one, overfilling can damage your car's vapor recovery system. Second, gasoline vapors that escape are harmful to the environment. Not to mention, it's a waste of fuel. So next time the nozzle clicks off, take it as a sign your car is full and move on. Your car and your wallet will appreciate the restraint. Tip hash 8. Replace air filters regularly. A dirty air filter is like a clogged nose. It makes everything harder to breathe. If your engine can't get enough clean air, your car is going to suffer. A clogged air filter hurts performance, decreases fuel efficiency, and increases engine wear. Fortunately, checking and replacing your air filter is quick and easy. Most cars need their air filters replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. But if you drive in dusty or polluted areas, you should check it more often. A clean air filter keeps your engine running smoothly, so don't neglect it. Tip hash 9. Your PCV valve is small but mighty. The PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation, is small but essential. If it fails, it can cause rough idling, excessive oil consumption, and even engine sludge. But here's the thing. People rarely check their PCV valves, mainly because they don't even know they exist. Checking your PCV valve is simple, just remove it and give it a shake. If it rattles, it's good to go. If not, it's time to replace it. For just $20 to $40, you can save yourself from a potential engine disaster. Tip hash 10. Change engine oil and transmission fluid on time. If you're racking up miles every day, you're going to need extra care for your engine. Make sure to stick to your car's recommended oil change intervals. Synthetic oil lasts longer, so aim for oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. But don't forget about your transmission fluid. Most manufacturers recommend changing it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. But if you're stuck in stop-and-go traffic all day, it's a good idea to change it sooner. Regular fluid changes keep your car running smoothly and can prevent major issues down the road. So don't skip them. Tip hash 11. Keep your tires at the right pressure. Tire pressure is key to both safety and performance. Underinflated tires waste fuel, wear out faster, and increase the risk of blowouts. Overinflated tires wear unevenly and can decrease your grip on the road. Checking your tire pressure regularly is an easy way to improve your car's safety and fuel economy. Keep an eye on your tire pressure, and don't forget to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Tip hash 12. Don't forget brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid might not get much attention, but it's essential to your car's safety. Over time, brake fluid attracts moisture from the air, causing corrosion and rust inside your brake lines, which leads to a loss of braking performance. This corrosion can weaken key components of your braking system, like the master cylinder or brake calipers, and may eventually lead to brake failure. It's a good idea to check your brake fluid level regularly and replace it every 2 to 3 years. If the fluid looks dirty or contaminated, it's time for a change. Replacing your brake fluid at the recommended intervals will keep your braking system functioning properly, avoiding unexpected issues when you need them most. Tip hash 13. Check belts and hoses for wear and tear. Your car's belts and hoses circulate vital fluids like coolant, oil, and power steering fluid throughout the engine. If these components are worn out, cracked, or leaking, it can lead to fluid loss, causing engine overheating or even failure. A broken belt could leave you stranded or damage the engine, resulting in costly repairs. Check your belts and hoses regularly for signs of wear, such as cracks or leaks. Replacing them before they cause issues can save you from a breakdown. Belts and hoses are exposed to high temperatures and pressure, so inspect them every few months to keep everything running smoothly. So there you have it, 13 car maintenance tips that could save you a ton of cash and keep your car running like new. You don't need to be a mechanic to take care of your car. Just follow these simple steps and avoid unnecessary repairs. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more car wisdom. Got any car maintenance hacks of your own? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little maintenance goes a long way, especially when it saves you from a huge repair bill.